It's been a while since I've done a fortune cookie soap unboxing. Hope you guys have missed this unboxing because here we are back at it again. And we are starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey, it's Amanda. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome back to my channel. But if it's your first time here and you enjoy beauty hauls, unboxings, first impressions, and reviews, you've come to the right place to hit subscribe for new videos weekly. I love fortune cookie soap so much, and I've just fallen behind on unboxing the subscription. It is one of my favorite subscriptions. It's just so cute, nerdy, and I love my monthly box of self-care Sunday items. I just love how this company really just takes time on their theming and formulating products. Everything has been awesome quality since I have been subscribed to their monthly subscription, and also from the products that I have purchased, because they also do these awesome launches. I know for someone like me who's a huge nerd, really enjoys this box because of the theming that they do. They've done Harry Potter, they've done Star Wars, Jurassic Park, and the list goes on and on from there. I have missed doing this unboxing on my channel. Hope you guys are excited for it. And if you have the subscription or have tried any of these products, definitely let me know what your favorite products are. Let's get unboxing. July's theme is Adventure Awaits. It reminds me of like adventures out there. Oh, this is perfect. It says the mountains are calling and I must go. That is such like a huge like North Carolina or Western Carolina thing to say, because my alma mater is in the mountains and I haven't been in a hot minute, so I am obsessed with the sticker. It is very cute, and this is what the inside looks like. I did not want to show the front. It has my address on it, and let's unbox. Ooh, yes. All I see is foam, but here we go. Okay. I also like how fortune cookie soap also includes cards now of what the products are. So the first product we have is the Free Spirit Hallelujah Skin Gel. I love fortune cookie soap skin gels, and if there's aloe in this, definitely love it for the summers, because if you have a sunburn, it helps relieve the sunburn as well as moisturize. Ooh, this is what it looks like. Ooh, it smells very citrusy. I mainly give these to Gryffindor to use because he is the one that burns all the time. It has like a soft jello consistency. Like if you had jello in your car and it melted, that's what it feels like. And it's just super light. Your skin instantly feels hydrated. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I will say I did not wash my face this morning, so my skin is hating me. Giving it a little bit of moisture is doing it some good. It's just soaking it up, and it's not heavy. It's just sinking right into my skin. Very, very lightweight, even though it looks pretty thick. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. Gryffindor is gonna get a lot of use out of it. They also have a version where there's like lotion in the middle, just for the extra hydration. So I haven't received just like an aloe one by itself. I love it. My skin feels great. It's nice and smooth. Definitely has some moisture to it because my skin was feeling really rough prior to putting that on. Next we have the Time to Escape Dream Oil. I really love fortune cookie soap's essential oils. They're really good. I got a headache one, and it helps really relieve headaches during when there's thunderstorms. So I love that because I get really bad headaches when the pressure changes. I like sniffed way too much of that. Has a nice lavender scent to it. I like to put, I don't really have room on that wrist. I usually take some of Lush's Sleepy Lotion and rub it on my hands before I go to sleep. I just love that smell. I have a really hard time falling asleep these days, so anything that helps I'm open to. So I'm gonna add this to my wrist at night just to help relax my mind and have it to stop spinning its wheels, because my mind is always going 1,000 miles an hour. I have so many of their oil roller balls. They're just really nice to have. Like this one will go by the nightstand. The headache ones at Gryffindor's. I keep like a eucalyptus one in my office, and I feel like this is like a common item that they've been putting in their subscription boxes, so like I'm excited to get them, but I'm kind of like put a different item in. And I also feel like we've gotten a lot of aloe items recently because it is summer, and I get it, but change it up a bit. I miss the old subscription. I'm gonna forever keep saying that. The products that were curated for the past subscriptions, I'll leave my fortune cookie soap playlist in the description for you guys to check out what their older subscriptions used to look like, and I'll leave it to you to vote which subscription is better. Yes, this one costs less, but the other one was just so much better. I thought you got more bang for your buck, better products were curated, but I still enjoyed this subscription. It's just, I'm kind of getting bored of the products that they keep sending because I feel like it's just been aloe and oil, where I rather would just see like a bath bomb or a shower gel, some shampoo, conditioner. Like they have like a huge range of products that they could do to stop sending the same ones. We have the Keep the Wild in You hand sanitizer. I love hand sanitizers. I go through these so quick. I have one on like all my purses, all my backpacks, because I like to change it up every once in a while. Ooh, smells like straight up like rubbing alcohol. Did not have much of a scent to it. Took way too much in. These are really nice. I like how it comes with the case because it looks like it could also fit some of the Bath & Body Works ones. You probably just saw me fail there trying to like get it through. There we go. I really like the neutral case because I can give it to Gryffindor, because unless if he wants like the unicorn or the panda that I have from Bath & Body Works, he can either have that or this white one. And then we have the Explore car freshener. I'm not sure if I've received a car freshener spray from Fortune Cookie Soap before, so new product. Ooh, it has a nice vanilla scent to it. Okay. I'm really bad about changing car fresheners in my car just because like I don't think the Bath & Body Works ones last that long. They smell fantastic when you put it in and it lasts for the 5 days it lasts. I think it's nice to have a spray like this. We'll see how it rivals Febreze. You know, just when you get in your car for the morning, you go and just, you know, make it smell like vanilla. Hopefully that doesn't attract ants or anything. We don't want an infestation. I like the concept of a spray instead of putting it in. It's just remembering to have to spray. Also, bottles like these can also expand and spill out and leak in your car if it's really hot where you are. Like it is by me where it's 99 degrees today. Maybe I'll just keep it in my purse. It's just the remembering part. I'm so ADHD, like I just forget. I can like tell myself, all right, you're gonna spray this when you get in your car, and either A, I'm gonna leave it in the house, or 2, it's gonna be in my purse, but I forget to spritz it. The struggle is real. For July's box, I feel like this product is really good for the summer. It's just I have so many of these. I think this is like the second or third one we have received, and it's been 7 months within the subscription, so I just feel like that's a little excessive, especially with how big this jar is. It's definitely a nice size for it to last a few months. That's just my only thing, as well as these oils. I feel like I haven't made a dent in any of these because it is a roller back, and so it does conserve product. It's just like I have so many of these, just change it up a little bit would be fantastic. I'm definitely gonna get some use out of this. I'm gonna pop it on, I think like my new work bag doesn't have a hand sanitizer, so I'm gonna add this to it. My wallet, actually no, there is no spot for my wallet. My keys doesn't have one anymore, so if I don't put this on my work one, my keys will get it. My favorite product from this box is this car freshener. I just have to remember to use it is the kicker, but I'm really excited for this. I hope it works out well. I love all of Fortune Cookie Soaps and sprays. I have a couple of the aromatherapy for the showers as opposed to a shower bomb. I have like their version of Poopery, which I think works better than Poopery, so I'm excited to see how this rivals Febreze. I hope that this scent is very long lasting in the car. That way you don't have to like really spray every single day, like maybe every other day or a couple times a week. Let me know if you have the Fortune Cookie Soap subscription. What was your favorite product that you received? Or just let me know in general what your favorite Fortune Cookie Soap product is. I really love their products. I think they're amazing quality and at a good price point. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in the next video.